Hi, this is Gabrielle, librarian at the Chelsea District Library, and today I'm going to go through a brief tutorial of how to log books and activities in our Beanstack game for the summer reading program. To log books and activities via Beanstack, log in and you'll start in the overview page, which will be like the home page. And under the Imagine Your Story, you will see books completed, activities, and reviews. Then also down here, there are links for the activities, logging, and reviews. So I'm going to log a book by read one book and hitting log next book. I'm going to put that I read it yesterday, type in the title, and the author is optional. You don't have to do that. And here you can select if you want to include a review, or you can do that via the link to just submit reviews. So I'm going to hit no and log this book. And it says logged, so you're all set with that. Then I'm going to go back and I'm going to log an activity. So I will select the download wizard, which is downloading media, no matter what the format. And to get this challenge completed, I need 3 of them. So I'm going to download an ebook or e-audio from Libby, download music from Hoopla, and read an ebook or listen to an e-audio on Hoopla. After that, I'll get the notice that I have completed this. I can also go to enter a drawing here, and you can get that through the ticket drawings tab, so you don't have to do it here if you don't want to. And I can select my tickets to add. 5 tickets available, them all into the Chelsea Ale House. And there we go. So you can split your tickets between all the prizes, or you can just put them in one. And that's how you log activities and books in Beanstack. And if you need any other assistance with the game, you can reach a reference librarian by dialing 734-475-8732 extension 219, or by emailing at ref@chelseadistrictlibrary.org.